what's up? Welcome back dito sa ating channel, Pizzo Balls TV. Alright, so tayo nagbabalik muli mga kababayan. At ito na nga, no, ang ating pag-uusapan ngayon, ang masamang balita, no, dito po kay VP Sara Duterte mga kababayan. Alright, so pero syempre bago ang lahat, please don't forget to subscribe at pakilike naman po ang ating video ngayon. At syempre shoutouts tayo sa mga followers natin dyan at sa mga subscribers natin. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta. Okay, so ating pag-usapan mga kababayan, ito po nga nangyari dyan sa Senado, no, na kung saan, no, ito po ay may masamang epekto o may masamang balita po dito kay VP Sara Duterte. No, kasi nga no nakaraan, no, ang ating Senate President ay si Chis Escudero mga kababayan. Pero po ngayon, ang bagong Senate President ay walang iba kundi si Tito Soto mga kababayan. Si Senator Tito Soto na. At marami nga nagkomento at nagkaroon ng reaksyon dun sa mga nangyari ng mga nakaraan. Especially tungkol po dun sa usapin ng impeachment, no, ni VP Sara Duterte. Diba? Kasi nga, kaalyado nila nasa majority, no? Itong si Chis Escudero mga kababayan. Pero, ito na nga po ang masamang balita dito kay VP Sara dahil napalitan na po, no, yung kaalyado nila na Senate President at ang ngayon Senate President na ay ang minority leader na si Tito Soto mga kababayan. So, masakit sa ulo to dahil syempre, alam naman natin yung usapin na yan tungkol sa impeachment at medyo kabado na siguro sila dahil nga nagkaroon, no, ng pagbabago sa liderato ng Senado. Mga kababayan, so ano na yung kanilang susunod na gagawin ngayon? Okay, so panoorin muna natin, no, itong mga nangyari na to sa Senado mga kababayan na kung saan talaga namang walang lumaban. No, walang ibang naging nomination bilang Senate President.
Mr. President, I have the honor of nominating Senator Vicente C. Soto III as Senate President. We already know him to be a leader of great integrity, as exemplified by his time as Vice Mayor of Quezon City, as Senate Majority Leader, as Senate Minority Leader, and of course, as Senate President. Having had the honor of working alongside him as his Majority Leader during the 17th and 18th Congress, I witnessed firsthand his peerless leadership and work ethic, and I can say with conviction that he has been nothing short of a reliable and trustworthy leader. As Senate President, he always led with fairness and transparency, and he led with an open ear and a decisive hand, ensuring unity and stability in the Senate at all times. Most importantly, he was a traditionalist in the very best sense of the word, consistently upholding the rules and traditions that protected the integrity of the Senate as the nation's last bastion of democracy. With Senator Soto as Senate President, the Senate is in good hands. Maraming salamat po, Your Honor.
Grabe, no? In Senate, is in good hands daw mga kababayan. No? Parang sinasabi niya dito na pagka si Tito Sen ang nasa Senado mga kababayan, maganda ang takbo ng Senate. At ito pa, yung isa sa panoorin natin, yung video ng nangyari na yan, no, na panunumpa ni Tito Sen.
Mr. President, move for the previous motion, there being no other nomination. So move, Mr. President.
It has been moved by the Majority Leader and seconded by Senator Loren Legarda that the nomination be closed. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is hereby approved. There being no other nominees for the position, Senator Vicente Soto, the only nominee for the position of the Senate President, is hereby declared as the newly elected President of the Senate.
You know.
Mr. President, may I move that we suspend the session to allow the newly elected Senate President to take his oath, Mr. President.
Session is hereby suspended.
Ito na mga babayang panunumpa.
Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I, please state your name.
I, Vicente C. Soto III,
Having been elected to the position of Senate President,
having been elected to the position of Senate President,
do hereby solemnly swear
do hereby solemnly swear
that I will well and faithfully discharge,
that I will well and faithfully discharge,
to the best of my ability,
to the best of my ability,
the duties of my present position,
the duties of my present position,
and of all others I may hereafter hold
and of all others I may hereafter hold
under the Republic of the Philippines.
under the Republic of the Philippines,
That I will support and defend the Constitution of the Philippines.
that I will support and defend the Constitution of the Philippines,
That I will obey the laws,
that I will obey the laws,
legal orders,
legal orders,
and decrees promulgated by the duly constituted authorities,
and decrees promulgated by the duly constituted authorities,
and maintain true faith and allegiance
and maintain true faith and allegiance
to the Republic of the Philippines.
to the Republic of the Philippines,
And that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily,
and that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily,
without mental reservation
without mental reservation
or purpose of evasion.
or purpose of evasion.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations, citizen.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so yan mga kababayan, yung naging panunumpa ni Tito Sen. At narinig din natin yung sinabi nga no, dito na kung saan suportado po siya no, ng mga kapwa niya senador bilang bagong Senate President mga kababayan. At dahil nga po dyan, eto, no, si Senator Bato de la Rosa, mga kababayan. Umiyak po ang mga DDS, mga kababayan. No, kasama na nga po ito nga si Senator Bato de la Rosa na kung saan eto nga po yung kanyang sinabi. No? Ang korupsyon sa Ghost Flood Control Projects ay nasa House of Representatives ayon sa investigasyon ng Senate Blue Ribbon Committee. Pero bakit Senate President ang pinalitan? No? So, yan yung tanong niya. Bakit daw Senate President no, ang pinalitan, mga kababayan? Bakit nga kaya? Ano sa palagay ninyo? No? Ito na lang, mga kababayan, basahin natin no, yung mga komento ng mga kababayan natin. Sabi dito, don't worry Bato, may appointment lang si Cheese para combi bros niya. Maraming komento dito yung mga kababayan natin. Mawalang galang lang po, Senator Bato, bilog po ang mundo, sa amin naman. Yan yung sinasabi natin mga kababayan. Hindi habang buhay kasi, nasa ibabaw sila. Akala kasi nila, no, okay na. No, nakapwesto na kami. No? Kami na yung malakas. Kami na yung makapangyarihan sa Senado. No, wala na kayong magagawa. Kaso, bilog ang mundo. So, ayan, nabaligtad. No? Nagulat sila Nagulantang sila doon sa nangyari, mga kababayan. No? Hindi nila akalain no, na mapapalitan no, eto nga kanilang Senate President na si Chis Escudero. No? Nataranta siguro tong mga to. No, balita ko, tumakbo pa raw etong si Senator Robin Padilla. Mapunta kay Senator Chis Escudero, mga kababayan, at talagang nataranta at nagulat po sila sa mga pangyayari na yan. No? Ala kasi nila habang buhay na sila na nasa taas. So, kung mapapansin nga ninyo doon sa video, no, nung panunumpa, halos nasa likod lang po. No, magkakasama sila si Senator Bato, si Senator Bongo at si Senator Robin Padilla. Nasa dulo lang sila. No, talaga namang malungkot na malungkot. No, so ano masasabi niyo dyan, mga kababayan? Okay, comment na lang sa ibaba niyo mga opinion at ating yung pag-usapan. Alright? So yan muli, maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga patuloy na kasuporta dito sa ating channel. Kita-its po tayo sa ating next video upload. Ito ang inyong Kuya Mobs, it's Mobs TV. Peace and health.
President, at this juncture, may I move that we recognize the distinguished former Senate President, Senator Chis Escudero, to make a manifestation, Mr. President.
The former Senate President, Senator Chis Escudero, is hereby recognized for a manifestation.
Thank you, Majority Leader. Thank you, Mr. Senate President. Nais ko lamang po magbigay ng maikling manifestasyon.
Nais ko pong magpasalamat sa mga kapwa ko miyembro ng Senado na nagbigay po ng tiwala sa akin sa 19th at saka 20th Congress. Nais ko din po magpasalamat sa mga opisyal at kawani ng Senado. Karangalan ko po na pagsilbihan kayo at manilbihan kasama kayo nitong nagdaang taon. I serve at the pleasure, Mr. President, of the majority and understand and respect the decision of the majority of my colleagues. I hold no grudges. I hold no ill feelings. I congratulate Senator Vicente Tito Soto III on his election as Senate President, and I wish you well, Mr. Senate President. Nandito lamang po ako bilang ordinaryong miyembro para pagsilbihan at paglingkuran kayo sa anumang kapasidad na pwede at kaya ko bilang bahagi ng Senadong ito. During my tenure, Mr. President, the Senate did not shy away from confronting the difficult questions facing our nation. We passed a record number of laws that helped uplift the lives of our countrymen. We conducted hearings that unearthed corruption on a scale rarely seen before, and in doing so, we remind the public that accountability is not a mere empty rhetoric, but a duty that we must uphold. Maski na papano, sa ilalim po ng aking panunungkulan at sa pangunguna ni Congressman Rodante Marcoleta, may ilang bagay po tayong nakamit at nagawa. Nakapagsalita na ng buong kaninang umaga si Congressman Toby Shanko at nabanggit lahat ng nais niyang sabihin hindi nasabi sa kabilang kamara. Nasabi na rin po, Ginoong Pangulo, ang the name that cannot be mentioned, ang pangalan ni Speaker Martin Romualdez at Congressman Zaldico sa pamamagitan ng paghihiring kanina pong hapon. And as a final act earlier, Mr. President, I signed upon the request of Congressman Marcoleta the contempt order of Assistant District Engineer Bryce Hernandez, putting him under detention already here in the Senate. Mr. President, I am proud of what the Senate has accomplished together, and I trust that the spirit of transparency and courage that have been displayed by this chamber will be sustained. Sana po, mapagpatuloy natin to. Let justice and the rule of law be done and followed, though the heavens may fall. Thank you again, Mr. President, and please accept once again my warmest congratulations. Congratulations, Mr. Senate President.
Thank you very much, and we thank the distinguished former Senate President, Senator Jesus Escudero, for his magnanimity and the work that he is, the service that he has given the Senate and the Filipino people. Thank you, Mr. Senator.